gentlemen, it is our pleasure to welcome you to Salt Lake City. Local time here is approximately 7:32. We have had a time change. You've just lost an hour from your day, but it looks like the captain got us here 20 minutes early. How nice. Thank you, Captain. Please stay seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. We will be using a jetway. It does take just a few minutes to hook the jetway up to the aircraft, so take your time. Check the area around you. Don't forget the seat pockets in front of you. We find many treasures in those seat back pockets, Kindles, wallets, cell phones. So please make sure you double check before exiting the plane. If you're transferred to a connecting flight, your check bags will automatically be transferred for you. If Salt Lake is your final destination, you will be able to pick your check bags up inside the terminal at the Delta baggage claim area, which is located just outside of Concourse A and to the right. You may receive an email survey from Delta asking you to share your experience with us. We value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. And if you've not as yet, we do invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all of your future travel needs, including checking in for flights and managing your SkyMiles account. Once again, we want to remind you to take a quick look around your seating area. Make sure you have everything with you that you brought on board. And on behalf of Delta and our Salt Lake City-based crew, we have enjoyed sharing this bumpy ride with you and do look forward to serving you on future Delta flights. We hope you have a very pleasant evening while you're in Salt Lake or wherever your travels may take you. And to keep the plane comfortable during deplaning and for our next flight, if you could please open those air vents above your seat. And if you are sitting by the window, just lower those window shades just about halfway. This will also assist us as we sanitize the cabin prior to the next flight.